My name is Anjori and this is my partner, Dhairya, and we are doing workshop on Tantra. Tantra for individuals and Tantra for couples.
We have been together for 25 years, so we have touched many nooks and corners of what is difficult in relating, and relating is not just being in a relationship. Relating is also work, it's with colleagues, it's with family. There are 10 fights that are the same all over the world. It's just a part of the relating. And Tantra teaches really to become more relaxed with that.
We feel that we are part of the same boat.
Yes, that actually, there's not something wrong with us or our relationship.
Yeah. We also work with the male and the female, of course. That is very important polarity in Tantra. There's gonna be a lot of dance and exploration, but with yourself, to have an experience that actually everything is in you. And also we meditate a lot. And meditation we do because, of course, we are in an Osho's place and in Osho meditation, but also because it's in a way it helps us to contain whatever is in us. And this is also what Tantra is to contain all this energy, the sexual energy, the emotional, and also the mind, to slowly to be more free of the other and enjoy life